Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the very cool looking new character from Brawl Stars, Colonel Ruffs. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this cool looking character, and here's my sketch underneath. So to begin, we're going to draw in the visor area first. So we just draw one smooth curve like this. And then once you have this curve, just go up and draw almost the same curve, just the opposite. That's going to give us the visor. And then from here, from the corners, just go up. Go straight up and then draw one more of this curve on the top. So now we're just going to draw in the hat first. Alright, so from here now we're going to go out. So from this corner, it's got a really big hat, so we just curve out. So just try to keep it symmetrical, and which is going to be a hard thing to do. Alright, so just try your best. And then from here we can go up, or we can come to the center, make a little point first. And sometimes this way is a little bit easier to draw from the top, coming down. Okay, so I'm just gonna curve down. And that's pretty much gonna give us the shape of the hat. And then there's some details right here. So just right on this edge, just draw a little curve like this. And then lastly, the little emblem right here. So it's just gonna be one big triangle. I'm just gonna draw one line on top. Give it a slight curve on the bottom. And then once you have the outside line, just draw one more on the inside. So we'll simplify this. All right, and then for the wings on the side, just come right around here, just come out. Come to the bottom, just draw a shorter line. And then just try to draw the same curve as this on the, right here on the outside. Okay, and then lastly, just go ahead and draw in two lines just to divide it up. And that's pretty much it for the hat. All right, so now let's draw in the face. So come back down here, right underneath the visor. Just draw two lines first. And then I'm gonna draw in one curve going up. So this is gonna be part of the mouth, the snout area. And then I'm going to continue with this. Just bracket down. So now we're going to curve back up. Just try to smooth it out right here. So it's almost like a little bean shape. And then to finish up the, I guess the lower jaw, one smooth curve on the bottom. All right, so this is kind of a tricky shape to draw. All right, and then now let's draw in the nose. Just one smooth curve there, and then just kind of come down. All right, so finally now we can finish up the eyes. So just right on this side, just right underneath the visor area. Just one smooth curve, and this one's got an eye patch. So it's gonna be slightly bigger. And then for the inside here, just one little angle here on the edge. And then this part is kind of X. So you can come down here, just draw a little angle like this first. Come out on both sides, and then just kind of tuck it right in. And let me shade in this part. So we're only seeing half of the little X there. All right, so that's pretty much it for the face. And now let's just draw in the ears. So I'm just gonna come down right here. Just draw one smooth curve coming down, and then just kind of tuck it right behind the snout area. Okay, so just curve all the way down. All right, so now let's draw in the body. So I'm just gonna come down here, draw like two little blocks on his shoulder. Okay, and then come down here. This is gonna be, I guess, his armpit. Just come down and then close it off. So the body is very small and kind of symmetrical, so it's a lot easier to draw. So let's draw in a little bracket like this first. Come down one section for the belt. Then let's just keep going down. I'm gonna flare this out slightly. Round off the bottom. And that's pretty much gonna give us the shape of the body. And let's just go ahead and finish up the foot here. Draw two lines on the inside, and then on the outside here, come out a little bit more, close it off. Same thing here. All right, and then from here, let's go ahead and finish up the arms, and then we'll draw in all the little cool details inside. Let's just start on this one. This one's gonna be folded and it's gonna be going back. So I'm just gonna come down and then just hook it in right underneath the, right behind the belt there. Now I'm gonna have it kind of come straight down. So I'm gonna come down, close this off first. All right, and then for the cuff right here, just one section. Just draw slightly bigger. And then now for his hand, come down here, just one little hook for the thumb. Let's just add one little line here on the inside. Here's the back of the hand. And then now for the fingers, it's gonna be nice and short. And then on the inside right here, just one little bump for the other fingers. And then to finish up the cuff, I'm just gonna add one little circle here for the button. All right, so now that's pretty much it. And now let's go ahead and add the details. So for the clothing here, just come to the center. I'm gonna draw one little angle coming out and then go down. And then once you have this line, just draw one more. Okay, and then this line is gonna go underneath the belt. I'm gonna continue this on the bottom. And then just follow this curve right here, or follow the slant. All right, and then for the buttons right here, nice and big. And then for the belt buckle, and then on the inside, same thing, just one little triangle. All right, and then for the little badge right here, I'm just gonna simplify it. I'll just draw a circle, and then the bottom, just a little box. And that is it for this Colonel Ruffs. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please check out my other videos, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.